Hello everyone, the students of class 9th. Yesterday there was a homework of objective questions. I hope you all have done. So now I am going to tell you the answers and you have to match the answers, whether they are true or false, whether they are right or wrong. So the first question was, who is the writer of The Fun They Had? What was the name of the chapter? The Fun They Had. So who is the writer? Isaac Asimov is the writer. Answer. Match karo. What was the date written on the diary of Margie? It was 17 May 2157. Answer. Next question. Who had found the real book? Answer is Tommy. What statement was written in the diary of Margie? क्या स्टेटमेंट लिखा हुआ था? तो लिखा हुआ था, टुडे टॉमी फाउंड अ रियल बुक. आज टॉमी ने एक रियल बुक पाया. व्हाट वाज द एज ऑफ मार्गी? आंसर इज 11 years. व्हाट वाज द एज ऑफ टॉमी? द आंसर इज 13 years. वेयर डिड टॉमी फाइंड द ओल्ड बुक? द आंसर इज इन द एटिक. व्हाट वाज द लुक ऑफ काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर? The answer is, he was a round little man with a red face. Next question. Who was Margie's mother? The answer is Mrs. Jones. Next question. What did the county inspector give to Margie? Answer is an apple. 11. It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. Who said these lines? किसने कहा था ये लाइन? काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई डिडंट से, आई डिडंट लाइक इट. हु सेड दिस एंड टू हुम? किसने और किसको कहा था? मार्गी सेड टू टॉमी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्गीज मदर, एट व्हाट टाइम अ लिटिल गर्ल लर्न्स बेटर? मार्गी के माँ के अनुसार किस वक्त बच्चा अच्छे से सीखता है? एवरी डे एट रेगुलर आवर्स. हर दिन एक रेगुलर आवर्स पर अगर सीखता है तो वो बच्चा सही से सीख पाता है. So this chapter is finished now. You all will make the long answers from your book. आप अपने से वहाँ जो क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है उसका लॉन्ग आंसर आप लोग ढूंढेंगे बुक से और उसको बना करके अपने पास रखेंगे. Okay. Now I am going to start the next chapter of your book, Moments. In 9th class there are two books. One is Beehive and another is Moments. We have already read one chapter of Beehive, so now I am going to start. Now I am going to commence the Moments. And the first chapter of Moments is The Lost Child. The Lost Child is written by Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand is an Indian writer. He was very famous at his time. So in this 6th lecture, I am going to tell you something about the lost child. In this chapter, there is a boy, little boy, not so little. One day he was going to the village fair. The village fair was in another village and he was going with his parents. His father and mother both were with him. When he was on the way, he was distracted. He was attracted by some different things like butterflies, like gardens, like flowers, and so many other things which he was seeing when he was going along the road. But his father and his mother always told him that don't stay back, come with us, you will be lost. So he was going with him, leaving everything behind him. When he reached in the fair, there he saw different type of things, like the shop of sweetmeats, like the roundabout, like the gulmohar flowers, like snake charmer. There were different type of things which the boy wanted to buy, wanted to see. But his father was always rigid not to give anything, not to give him anything, not to let him see anything. And the boy was also known about that. But when ultimately he saw the roundabout, he had made his mind that I shall surely go on that roundabout, and he demanded to go there. When he was demanding, what happened? When he looked back, his father and mother was lost. So he started crying that I want my mother, I want my father. And in this way a stranger saw him and tried to console him by giving sweets, by telling him to go to the roundabout, by telling him to show snake charmer, whatever the things were there, he tried to give him, he tried to show him. But the only demand of that boy was that I want my mother, I want my father. So this is the story, and in next lecture I shall try to tell the story in Hindi and also line by line of the chapter. So you also try to read at least 3 times or 4 times this chapter, then you can easily understand the whole chapter line by line. And if you have time, then you also try to pick out the words which are tough for you and consult the dictionary and try to find out the meaning. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.